Okay, here's Precalculus Concept 2b under arithmetic sequences. We're going to write the terms of an arithmetic sequence, and there are only two boxes, so let's get going. Box number 1 is an example. It says write the first 6 terms of the arithmetic sequence defined below. Okay, so let's read with what this says. It says the very first term is the number 6. So I'm going to write down that number 6. So this is a sub 1. And it wants me to write down the first 6 terms. So a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5, and then a sub 6. So this is what it wants me to do. And it's telling me that the next term in the sequence is equal to the previous term minus the number 2. So in order to get the second term, I have to look at the previous term and then subtract 2. So 6 minus 2, well, that just gives me a value of 4. So to get this term, I would look at the previous term and subtract 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. To get this term, I would look at the previous term and subtract 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. To get this term, I would look at the previous term. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. And lastly, to get that term, I'd look at the previous term and subtract 2. So negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. So therefore, the first 6 terms of the sequence are 6, 4, 2, 0, negative 2, and then finally negative 4. Okay, box number 2 is a U-try. Write the first 6 terms for the arithmetic sequence given below. I told you that the very first term is 100, and a sub n is equal to a sub n minus 1 minus 30. Hopefully you got the right answer, but the very first term was given to us as 100, and the next term is the previous term minus 30, so the second term would be 70, 40, 10, negative 20, and negative 50, all the way down the line.